really appreciate like the dedication and love and passion everyone is contributing. It's really an experience of lifetime. I would recommend it to any Web3 founder. If you've built something that you believe in and you want to like accelerate it and take it to the next level, XFounders is definitely the place to be.
XFounder was fantastic. I simply was able to learn a lot of things. The mentors were great. And, teaming up with the other founders, it was amazing and it will stay in my memories forever.
I'm loving it. It's such a great concept. Just being in an inspiring environment like Bali and meeting all these entrepreneurs and experts and getting all this educational coaching, it's really useful. We're taking a lot from this bootcamp.
I was a little bit skeptical, first of all, a month ago, but then when I understand the whole level of preparation here, the whole crew, the level of activities, it was wow, oh my God, this is like the different level. I don't understand the whole thing before. So for me, it's like the best place right now and right here.
The experience has been tremendous. We met so many experts. You can reflect your ideas. This has helped us a lot to like validate our concept and see what is good, but also where it still needs a lot of work. And we exchange with the founders who have like very similar problems because everybody is in a very similar stage of organizational development. Some are like a little bit further, some are like a little bit more behind, of course. But like we are all we all share the same progress and very similar experiences despite nobody being a competitor to each other.
I came to XFounders with the idea that I was just have classes and learn. But I came and I actually met the most amazing people. And now I feel like I bonded with amazing human beings, amazing projects. So I think it's been a super holistic approach of how becoming a better entrepreneur and a better builder. I love this place.